channel. It has been absolutely ages. It's been 5 months, but I do have a valid excuse. What happened to my nail? It's gone. But I've been trying to film actually for the past 2 months. I was sick again, surprise. But no, I actually finally got my diagnosis, so now I know what's wrong with me. But I had 3 operations, so that stopped me in my tracks for a little while because I was recovering. But while I was recovering, what a better way to recover than to do some online shopping. So yeah, I thought I would separate it by shop and do hauls. This is a haul from the shop called, online store called ISAWITFIRST. One of you guys actually told me about them and I checked them out, and they're basically like a cheaper version of Pretty Little Thing. So I went ham. So I have a huge pile here to show you guys, and there is quite a bit to get through, so I thought we'd just get straight into the video. And also, if you haven't noticed, I am blonde. So the first item is a pair of belted check trousers, and these are them. They come with a belt. Here is the belt. It's just a plain golden buckle thin strap belt, and the trousers are really, really stretchy. I never really buy trousers because they're not really stretchy usually, and when they're stretchy they fit all body types. You don't have to worry about if they're tailored or whatever, because the stretch just, you know, it engulfs all your lumps and bumps, you know. So it's actually funny because my actual granddad had a hat, and it was this exact colour. I kid you not, it was the same colour. So yeah, they're really stretchy, they fit really well, so I'm very pleased with them. Next is actually, I'm no exaggeration, the most favourite jumper I have owned in my life, because of how it fits. I love the colour too. I actually used to hate this colour, and now all of a sudden I like it. I don't know if it's because it's in fashion right now and I'm like a trend whore or something like that. I don't understand how that happens, how I can detest something so much, like flare jeans for example, and now they're in fashion. I'm like, I think I'm gonna buy a pair of flare jeans. How am I so brainwashable? They looked so ugly to me 2 years ago. What? But yeah, so anyway, this jumper, it is a mustard colour, and it's a crop kind of jumper. It goes in at the waist, it fits my shoulders nicely, it doesn't make them look too hench, and yeah, I really, really love it. It's cash and it looks so nice with a pair of jeans, so yes. So this one was a really big purchase for me. It's a distressed, oversized denim jacket. I have always wanted a denim jacket, but I've always felt like they make me look quite boxy because I have big shoulders. So I didn't buy a denim jacket. And then it occurred to me, I don't need to wear the denim jacket like a jacket. Now, wait, stay with me here. I don't mean like I'm gonna wear it as a pair of trousers, like that won't work. But I mean, like, I can just have it like, right, and then just, I'll walk to my chair. Fashion, fashion. Yeah, I just realised I didn't need to wear it like that. And then once I actually bought it and then I put it on, I actually realised it's not too boxy. As long as I wear something tight fitting underneath that you can see that I'm not a box, it works. So yeah, I'm very pleased with it, and I really love how distressed it is. I was looking for denim jackets everywhere online, and they were quite expensive. So yeah, that was another reason why I was like, I don't want to buy a denim jacket, and then I'm probably not going to like it. And I do not return things. I'm so bad at returning things. I already know if I buy something that's not my size, I'm just going to wait until it is my size, basically. But yeah, it was very cheap, and it's distressed. So it looks like I've had it as long as everyone else that has had denim jackets has, and that means that I've always been in trend and not just catching on to it now. But yeah, so next is a snakeskin plunge knot thingy at the front dress. I really love the knots, and I love putting belts on top of the knots. I'll show you what I mean by putting belts on top of the knots. But yeah, this dress is really, really nice. It's cute and sexy at the same time, and that is a very hard thing to come by in clothing. So yeah, I really like it. With a pair of high knee boots, it's, you know, I feel really sassy in it. So next is a bodysuit. I don't actually know how I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing, but I'm fairly creative, so I'm sure I'll find a way around it. But it's a pink bodysuit. I just wanted a pink bodysuit, so I just got a pink bodysuit. There's not really that much more to it. It fits really nice. It looks really cool. Yeah, with a pair of jeans and that denim jacket with like one bit off the shoulder. Fashion. Yeah. I'm feeling it. So next I got a high neck bodysuit. Because I needed a high neck bodysuit. I had one before, but it was actually quite see-through. So when I wore bras underneath it, you could like see the colour and the outline of the bra, even when it was black or white, it still showed through. So I was really, really upset about that. And this one doesn't. So yay, yay for me. So I'll be in it a lot more now because I have a better version of it now. Haha. I don't know where I got the one from before, by the way, guys, if you're wondering. I don't have a clue. Right, before I show this one to you guys, I think you should hear it first. You might work out what it is I have bought by the sound. It is the vinyl zip-up trousers. And I was not expecting to be able to like get these on because I did not think there was going to be any stretch or give to these at all whatsoever. And I was pleasantly surprised because there's actually so much stretch. So yeah, it fit really nicely. I wouldn't recommend wearing these if you were planning to go on an undercover mission because they are very noisy and people will hear you come in. But in terms of going out, these are such a nice pair of trousers. So very happy with my purchase. So next I decided that I wanted to get some baggy tops to wear with my mum jeans that I recently bought because you guys probably noticed I live in skinny jeans. I don't wear mum jeans, flare jeans, whatever jeans, happy jeans, sad jeans. I just wear skinny jeans. But I have ventured out into the world of mum jeans and it's going fairly well. And so I thought it'd be really nice to have a baggy top to go with my mum jeans because like I am my mum, so like yeah, I just wanted a baggy top that would go nice with things. So I got one in black and one in white. And the one in white says New York because I'm so travelled. And then the one in black says Beverly Hills because I'm so stinking rich. Yeah, just for a black and a white staple underneath any top. It with a tracksuit, with everything. Next, I've only got 2 items left. Is I gave in and I bought a Borg kit. And now it's a bit late because summer's coming, but I will use it in the next winter because I reckon Borg will still be in because it only, well no, it's been in for a while, but it's like, I'm just hoping it will still be around next summer or next winter, okay? So that's why I bought it, but it was cheap. And I can actually wear this. In summer, well not summer, but like right now I've been wearing it and it's been keeping me very warm and it's so comfy and snuggly and I think it looks really cool with a pair of mum jeans or a tracksuit bottom or anything really that it just casuals up the look, which I really like, and it makes me look snuggly and cuddly, so maybe people want to hug me then. That would be nice. Lastly, I don't know if it's called a gilet, a gillet or a gillet. I am going to go with gillet because no, I'm not going with that one. I mean, that's the one that I think is definitely not. I think it's gilet, but I got a gilet and it's a fairy gilet and it's a grey and nude gilet. I don't know if you guys can see, but we have grey hair and we have nude hair, which means I can wear this colour palette and this colour palette with the same coat and it would work. But yeah, so no, I needed a furry gilet. So I got a furry gilet, what more can I say? But yeah, I've got a Pretty Little Thing haul coming up next, and then I've got a clean with me video that I did before I got sick, so I've got black hair in it and I'm a bit more fatter, but I've got the cleaning video of how I clean my house. And yeah, I have got a lot of stuff coming. I got a new camera, I got a new lens, so that's exciting stuff. Because I've got this new lens, I can film them because I can actually vlog because it's not a 50mm lens, which is it was just too zoomed in. I couldn't hold it far enough away from my face, so making videos always had to be on a tripod with me sitting down. I'd actually be like so far away, whereas here I can touch the screen. Yeah, I'm really happy to be back, guys. Thank you for everyone that supported me through my on and off relationship with YouTube. I finally decided to commit, so we'll see how this goes anyway. But yeah, that dog is so cute. I'm gonna get a dog soon as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, which I promise won't be too long this time. Okay, bye.